you doing, buddy?
All right, well, we got bags of cement here. That's
Sweet.
what's happening.
Sweet. That's awesome.
Oh.
I saw y'all mowing the other day, and I know you're going to get another pad. I just want to tell you, if there's a spot you want me to mow for you, just let me know, and I'll bring the tractor
Thank
over.
you very much. I chopped it all back down there with the
Yeah.
over there.
It's just hard
But
work.
thank you. Yeah. it is.
So I don't mind helping with that or
Well, thank
anything
you very
else.
much. What are y'all doing?
I'm building a trailer out of a refrigerator.
I saw that. That's cool.
Picture, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know what's really cool is
Yeah.
I never throw anything away, and sometimes I dismantle appliances for the metal.
Yeah, yeah.
And I had taken an old stove apart, and of course the stove top is not good for anything, right? But it just so happens this old white stove is all, I don't know what you call it, with an edge on it, but it's all a curled edge all the way around, embezzle, and whatever you call that. And it fits the back of that, goes between those fenders like God made it to go there. Seriously. Now I've got a Coke sign.
Okay, then you gotta use it.
Yeah, I got a Coke sign that I'm going to put there, but
Yeah.
it kind of was a little crack around the edge.
Uh-huh.
That stove top will go on there. Coke sign goes on top of that, and it's perfect.
Yeah, like it's kismet, man. It's
Thank you,
made for
Lord.
it. It's made for it.
So I got so excited I couldn't leave, and then a hot rod guy called me and needed some parts, so I had to do a little
Gotcha.
home delivery. So just thought I'd check in with y'all, see if
All
I
right,
could help.
okay, we'll see. We're gonna leave the 9th or 10th of October, something like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're still planning to stay through Christmas,
Yeah, gotcha.
but
Probably a wise thing to do.
we'll hope
So
that.
come over and look at our project after we put.
That's pretty darn exciting right there.
I know.
Have you jacked it up already?
No, we're pouring the
Pouring the
cement
things,
in the
right?
sonotubes and
Okay.
building the footing.
I was thinking the roof looks straighter, but that just goes to show you how I can mislead you, you know.
It's not cold.
You're just scaring it straight. Scared straight, that's what it is. That was fun.